Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how to manage your post visibility on a TikTok application. So the first thing you have to do now is just open your TikTok application, and whenever you are in the home section you need to jump into this profile and then just click the profile, and in this profile section you will see these three straight lines right here, and then you just need to go click it. And now you just need to jump into this settings and privacy. And in this setting and privacy, you just need to scrolling down into the content and display. And whenever you are already take a look on this content and display, go click this activity center. In this activity center, there will be several options here. You just need to go into this manage post visibility, and there will be pop up over here like several contents that you have on your profile. And after that you just need to choose the specific part that you want to manage. For example, here if you want to manage this content, just go click checklist on the circles and go click next. And now you can update the selected post by move or change from everyone into the friends, so that your content will no longer able to be watched by everyone, but only your friends or someone you follows and follow you back who can see that. And then you just need to go click updates, and this content will be moved from all to friends. So that's the way how to manage your post visibility on a TikTok. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. So don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel, and I'll see you for the next video.